Hello beautiful people, I'm Upasana and in today's video we are going to solve this question where we are given square root of 59 square plus 59 plus 60, right? So whenever we have these types of question where these two numbers, you can see that this is actually x square plus x plus 1, right? If we see this type of question, whenever we see like this, if we say 59 is x, that means 60 is x plus 1. So it can be like 45 square plus 45 plus 46, like that. So we can replace x with any number. Okay, how do we proceed then? If you look at this, how will I do? I can see that these two, 59 raised to power 2 plus 59 raised to power 1 or 59. Okay, from these two I can take 59 common, right? So if I take 59 common from both of these, what will I be left with? I will be left with, here I will be left with 59 because we had two 59s and one is out, and plus 1, and this is plus 60, right? Okay, that means under root of this is 59 times 60 and plus 60. So we will always be getting this number that we can take common, okay, in these types of questions. So from these two we can take 60 common, right? Now what are we left with? We are left with 59 plus 1, right? So this is 60 times 60. Now this is 60 square raised to power 1 by 2, right? So if we just cancel out the powers, it will be 2 times 1 by 2, that is cancelled out. So answer is 60. That means answer is x plus 1. What x plus 1? Like here, if I see this, I will take x common. I will be left with x plus 1 plus x plus 1, right? Okay, and then I will take x plus 1 common and I will be left with x plus 1, which is x plus 1 square under root, and this under root means x plus 1 square raised to power 1 by 2. Okay, and then power will get multiplied, 2 times 1 by 2, which will be equal to x plus 1. So whenever you get this type of question where you have x square plus x plus 1, you will always get x plus 1. I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel and please visit my channel for Maths Olympiad questions, concepts and short tricks. If you like it, do visit, do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video. Bye bye.